Miles of hike and bike trails, a high ropes course, and campsites were wiped out by heavy rains and flooding last October. But now, University Camp, located between San Marcos and Wimberley, has been restored.
The cleanup and recovery of the University Camp has been a massive group effort.
Workers cleared debris from the river's edge, but erosion is still a top concern.
There have been some changes to the camp in response to the historic floods we faced last year. One of the biggest changes is the riverfront is vastly different now. We lost numerous trees.
Outdoor Center Coordinator John Griffiths says work crews planted 29 new trees and moved 4 campsites upriver.
Places that were previously nice campsites are now bare. So we did move all but one campsite. The only campsite that is still in the same spot from pre-flood is campsite number 5.
Students, alumni, and faculty are making their reservations.
It's a great way to get up and get out. There's a lot of, you can swim here, you can do rock climbing, you can do some trail walking. It's a great way to just get out here in community and bond and just have a great time out here.
A trail map will soon be created so hikers can get a better idea of the trails the camp has to offer. UCamp is a hidden gem among students, but once found, some campers might not be able to resist. For Bobcat Update, I'm Taylor Hughes.